Hello everyone, I am Pratyay and today I am gonna describe you that how to download MS Office 365 for free. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video a lot because first of all I was very nervous while I was downloading it, but suddenly a flash of idea brightened up in my mind. I got completely amazed and let us check that how I did it. Okay, so let us move forward to the next slide. Just a second. Okay, just a second. Follow the steps to download the Microsoft Office 365. At first, you need to have the MS Office app on your PC to be downloaded. Then you can search any Microsoft developer this keyword in any kind of browsers like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera browser, Opera Mini, and this kind of things are available. Then Microsoft Edge, which I'm having, I can show you Google Chrome. These are the two browsers I'm using. Then you will be directed to a new web page. Again, another web page will open. Then you have to click on Microsoft 365 developer to be joined. Then you will get to see a dialog box. Do as directed. Over there you will get to know all the information. I'm not describing this fully because it will be the video will be quite lengthy. So after all, click on join if subscription, is because you need to join it. Then fill on that all that one blank will come. You need to fill on all the details. Copy your Microsoft organization email address which will be provided to you, and then remember you have to remember your password. Okay, then you need to visit the desktop app which you have downloaded, which must be pre-installed. Then sign up using your Microsoft organization account and click on install apps from the, sorry, app spelling is wrong here. It should be apps. Don't mind it for granted. Then another then again setup file will be downloaded and you need to run the exe file. Then do the necessary procedures which are mentioned in the guidelines. I will be providing you in the description box. So wait for the file to be installed. It will take more than more than 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. Then enjoy the applications like Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote. This kind of things will be downloaded. I've downloaded Skype, Teams as well as that. Okay, then in the next slide I will be providing you much more information about the account section. Okay, so please don't pause the video here. You have to hold your patience and move forward to the next slide. Just hold on. Just a second. Okay. So Microsoft account, we will be discussing about this topic now. In the Microsoft accounts option, you can get to see whether your product is activated or not. Over there, okay, I'm talking about the activation portion here. With the maximum case, the product of yours will not be activated. Some of the times it may be, although some of the, if you have installed it in a previous time, so it will show you a warning message that within a particular date, within a specific date, all the features will get expired or means disabled, and it you may not be used to get to use the options again. So you can search for the CMD text in any of the browsers about it, and then you must get it. If not, please contact me. I will provide you with the CMD text. Then copy that to your notepad, paste it over there and save it in an MS Office 365 activated.cmd. You may save this in a your own primary name, but secondary name, but this extension should be always the same I have provided. Please turn off your antivirus to avoid any interference during this process. I will discuss about this thing next on in the next video. Save it in the desktop, then save the file, the cmd file in the desktop, then look at it in the file explorer and click on run as administrator for your better security. Then click on yes on the dialog box. Windows Commander window will open. Wait until it shows product activated successfully. Then restore your desired application and you will see that the warning message will disappear. So check your Microsoft account whether your product is activated or not. Hope you're successful. Thank you. So here's the full process I'm describing, and I hope you will not find any kind of troublesome issues. And if you find it so, please get to know it is accurate or not. So I'm clicking on this and you can see that one dialog box will open. Just on wait a second. Yeah, this has opened and this is how you need to download it, and that's it for today. Thank you. I'm ending the video over here and stay well, stay safe.